crease.
John Hunter Nemechek in the 38. The 23-year-old goes around here.
Just barely got into him. Didn't take much to spin that 38 around.
Look at this, Kyle Busch getting by Jimmy Johnson.
So Kyle is up to the third position now, and he's chasing after his brother, which happens all the time, it seems like, as of late. Kurt and Kyle both running nose to tail now.
Man, Jimmy's car fired off on this restart, but now it seems like the pace is starting to drop on that 48 car. With Kyle going by,
Kyle's entry speed.
we'll look at the bottom left-hand side of your screen. The 19 of Martin Truex Jr. up 10 positions with still 24 laps to go. William Byron also up 10 positions, storming through the field at a racetrack. Very hard to get through traffic. They know they have to kind of try to stay in touch with the leaders if they want to have a chance as the laps wind down.
Chase Elliott's out almost 4 seconds on this battle. Dave, what do you have on one?
Remember the 1 and the 18th, the brothers running together. When we talked to the driver of the black number 1, Kurt Busch, earlier this week, he said it's interesting how we've developed a racing relationship over the years. We've really started to treat each other like teammates. Let's see if that happens here. Yes, they're very gentle right here. But the other funny thing was, he said, we started having the same likes and dislikes of the race cars. Maybe that's why it's so close right there, Rick.
Yeah, they said the tires, they have the same feel for the tires as these two fight for the second spot. Kyle Busch trying to get by older brother Kurt.
All right, Kyle's going to try to maybe go into this corner low. He's not set up to get the braking done in a straight line and have to overslow the car a little bit there. Going to back up the corner and try to get out of this chicane with a better run to be able to head into turn 1 with the opportunity to try to pass.
You back up the corner. That's just simply slowing down on corner entry and trying to help your corner exit.
There it is.
He goes diving into 1, a little bit lower than his brother. And Kyle Busch, the preferred line. Can he take second away? He does. So Kyle has taken second. You're not going to miss a thing as we go NASCAR nonstop.